Hello viewers, this is Aravindar Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? Today in this video we have to see Kerala declares bird flu as a state specific disaster. High alert issued as cases found in Kottayam and Alappuzha. I request to the viewers to kindly view the full video. Now we shall go to the inside of the video to know the more information about the bird flu in Kerala. Kerala government today, that means 5th January 2021, declared bird flu a state specific disaster and issued a high alert considering the potential of the virus to infect humans. An outbreak of bird flu was confirmed in certain parts of Kottayam and Alappuzha districts, prompting authorities to order the culling of ducks, hens, and other domestic birds in and around a 1 kilometer radius of the affected areas. Tests conducted at the National Institute of High Security Animal Diseases in Bhopal have confirmed the bird flu outbreak, officials said. In Alappuzha, the bird flu was reported from 4 panchayats: Nedumudi, Takkalai, Pallipad, and Karuvatta in Kuttanad region in Kottayam district. It was found from a duck farm in Nindur Panchayat, where around 1,700 ducks have died due to the virus infection. As per the officials, around 40,000 domestic birds, including 34,000 in Kuttanad region alone, will be culled to check the spread of the H5N8 virus. The Alappuzha district collector has ordered a ban on the use and trade of meal, eggs, and waste of domestic birds, including ducks and chicken in Kuttanad and Karthikapalli taluks. Government authorities have said that all required steps have been taken to control the spread of the virus and there was no need for any concern. Migratory birds visiting the 10 kilometers radius of the affected areas would be monitored by the State Forest Department, the government said. Earlier, a high-level meeting chaired by State Animal Husbandry Minister K. Raju assessed the situation and decided to open control rooms at Alappuzha and Kottayam districts. Hello viewers, thank you for watching this video. Very soon I will meet once again having a good news very shortly. Thank you for your kind cooperation. Kindly subscribe this Aravindar Annai Arul channel.